Just about to set off to Berrow. We're going looking at a shipwreck near Burnham On Sea. That was in the Bristol Channel, just south of Breen. Alright, just arrived and the beach is over this direction. The shipwreck is on the coast a bit north of here. I think it's up that way, the beach is over there. So basically we're going to just walk in the beautiful sunshine, 28 degrees today. Super sunny, super hot. Let's head for this beach and go and find this shipwreck. The guy parked up over there, I spoke to him, he said the tide's fully out now. So let's just go do it. We go like this way, we go near the church or something, and then cut across the golf course to the beach. There's the church behind us there. Shipwreck is just north of this church. I assume this is like we walk up here. Beach sand, that's promising. Lovely buttercups. We're on the beach track. Members of the public must keep to the footpath, take care of golf balls. It's the hottest day I've come out yet. We don't get days like this very often, but look at the sand, it's beautiful. As you saw, I walked on this path and some guy had collapsed. You know, I think he just got some heat exhaustion. I think he seems to be alright now. He's got up and he's on his feet. He lives locally and he's heading back home now, going to the cool. Because that's the kind of day it is today. I was just saying how hot it is, and next thing we see someone on the floor. You know, days like this, make sure we're taking enough water, stay hydrated. This is a fine golf course. I tried to go to them to put a path through the private land of the golf course. Today I'm wearing my Merrell travel shoes. These shoes have been all around the world with us: Australia, Thailand, Malaysia, Singapore, New Zealand. These ones. The shipwreck located in the Bristol Channel. We've got a lot of wasps and bees I can hear around us. Definitely a lot of bees buzzing. The bees loving this hot weather. You know, they're buzzing and flying around. Happy, happy, happy. A white butterfly. The moment should be upon us really soon when we approach the beach for the first time. Breen Beach, as you know, is massive, it's huge. Oh, here we go, our first sighting of the beachfront, it looks like. The sand is marvellous. Oh, what a view. Oh, I've just got a feeling of like Maya Bay, Thailand. Beautiful white sand this, super soft, high quality. And yeah, our first sighting of the beach. The tide's way out, so we have to work out where this wreck is. Oh, I see it over there. It's over there. Wow, nice view. A few people just chilling, enjoying the sun. Let's go head towards it. A lot of people just hanging out on the beach, taking in a bit of vitamin D. Wow. This is so nice. I've just had the ka-ching moment of being so happy I came out today. It's wonderful. It's wonderful here. In the front was this island we keep seeing from Weston-super-Mare, from Breen, from Sandpoint. I love this area. Look at the blue skies. It's kind of amazing because the ship looks very close. Yeah, there's quite a few people around it. And they look like dots. So if the people look like dots and the ship looks pretty close, that means it's a pretty big ship. We just have to be super careful to not walk in any mud, any kind of boggy mud. It can be dangerous. Just stick to the dry, not the muddy parts, and ensure the tide is out enough for you to safely do this. In the distance I'm seeing quite a lot of people on the beach. I can't see clear if it's like caravans or just cars parked up by the beach up there. I see Breen Down from distance. That's Breen Down, that peninsula. We walked Breen Down last time. What a fine walk that is. I should check out that video on my channel, that vlog. It was a good afternoon, a good great walk. But I love exploring around this area. It's pretty amazing that the tide goes out this far, and it will come in pretty rapid when it comes in. We just hope there's no tsunami. Otherwise, we'll be riding surfboards. We're getting nearer now. Looking back, the sandbanks look fine, don't they? Look really like fine. The ship that we're looking at was shipwrecked in early March 1897, and the name of it, Norwegian, Berrow, SS Norman. A southerly wind came on the Bristol Channel, very strong, bringing sleet, bringing snow, and it caught the boat by surprise. Its anchors got stuck and the crew were all in danger, but they got rescued by the lifeboat. They came out and rescued them, so no one got injured or died, so that's really a good thing about it. I get a sense of walking very near it now. I'm getting a sense of awesomeness as I walk towards it, and I do see some guy like bend down to his knees getting some pictures from different angles, and that, my friends, is what we're going to be doing. What a perfect day to do this. Absolutely perfect. Wow, this is just looking pretty awesome. Pretty awesome as I'm close to it now. Wow. Let's go and get our first looks of this awesome Norwegian shipwreck. We just got to be careful not to walk near the puddles, the dangerous mud. Over 120 years ago, and you can see why, how much the wood's eroded and rotted. The sand is getting a bit softer now. Wow, this is just an awesome sight. You don't go in there, it'd be like quicksand. Wow, look at that. Wow, that is pretty epic. Just brilliant, spending a bit of time by the Norwegian ship and getting some wonderful shots in the process. Just a beautiful part of the country. It's a beautiful part of the UK. It's serene, it's tranquil. Just a sense of awesomeness. I don't remember the last time I've seen something like this, and it's like an empty beach in a way, you know, with the tide out, but it's really peaceful, and there's quite a few people walking down this beach from Breen. Stunning views here. It's wonderful. Really stunning, and but now it's time to head back across the beach towards the golf course. This is, I think, where we came in, so yeah, let's go off up this sandy bank. You want to do the walk, Breen down, I recommend it thoroughly. Or you can come here, just walk along the beach. You've got more beach than you can shake a stick at, by the sea, by the tide, and you get a whole beach to yourself. It was nice seeing that shipwreck. You know, the awesomeness came across as you walk towards it. It's just nice to come out and enjoy the weather, you know. So it's a piece of history that I suspect in another 100 years, 50 years, it won't be there anymore. Thanks for watching, guys. It's been a pleasure. I hope you enjoyed the walk around. But yeah, I loved it. I loved the walk on the beach. I love being in the sun. Always a pleasure to have you come with me. All right, see you soon.